What are the purposes and reasons that your business should focus on email marketing? That's the exact question that we're going to answer in this video. We're going to go over some specific data points and studies, along with just some general considerations that you need to take into account when it comes to deciding how seriously you are going to take email marketing in your business. Let's jump right into it. All right, so number one, email is the easiest, cheapest, and most reliable way to stay connected with your ecosystem of customers and followers. For example, for every $1 spent on email marketing, $36 is made in return according to an email marketing data study that included over 2,000 marketers. That's a 3,600% ROI, and you can see some of the details right here in this chart. And on the retail, e-commerce, and consumer goods side of it, it had a 45-to-1 return on investment. Next, according to a survey done by UpCity, more than 50% of marketers confirmed gaining an average ROI of about $2,140 for every dollar spent on email marketing. That's about a 2,100 to 4,000% return, making email one of the most cost-effective channels for marketing. Next up, 88% of email users check their inbox multiple times a day, according to a 2023 survey of email users. Here are some of their findings. So 39% of people said that they check their inbox 3 to 5 times a day. 27% of people said that they check their inbox 10 to 20 times per day. That's already a ton. And over a fifth of the people surveyed said that they check their inbox over 20 times a day. Genuinely insane. And if that wasn't enough, more and more people are using email year after year. The number of email users worldwide is approximately 4.6 billion in 2025, and that number is projected to grow to over 4.8 billion in 2027. With all this being said, it's pretty clear that email is an absolute goldmine when it comes to how easy it is, how cheap it is, and how reliable it is to actually get in contact with your existing ecosystem of customers and followers. Now, because of the fact that email is the easiest, cheapest, and most reliable way to stay connected with your existing customers and followers, it's also the best marketing channel to encourage long-term buyers and retention. This is because you can consistently stay in front of these people regularly through email at a really low price. In fact, the price is almost nothing. And that allows you to hit people with different data and different content and different types of engaging pieces of emails that get them to buy over and over and over again. And if you're giving them actual valuable, good content that they actually like, they're going to stay on the list long term, and you can tie in your products to everything that you do so that they keep buying over and over and over. Third point, email marketing also improves your return on your ad spend because of the fact that most people just aren't ready to buy right away, but they are still interested. So because of that, they join your email list due to the incentive that you gave them in order to get them on the list, and you can educate them, handle their objections, give them value, and ultimately sell to them over time to get them to buy when they are actually ready to buy. Now, caveat here is you cannot do email marketing and just sell, and be selfish with it. You need to give your list stuff that they actually enjoy seeing from time to time. In fact, we like to aim for a 3 to 4 to 1 value to promotion ratio, meaning every 3 emails that we send that are actually valuable and engaging and interesting have 1 where we're actually selling and promoting. But even in those engaging ones, we're still tying in our products in a way that make them desirable. And that's one of the powerful moves that you have to take if you really want email marketing to be a killer channel for your business. Fourth point, email marketing can act as a testing ground to fuel creative inspiration for all of your cold traffic. So if you test some different angles and creatives and ideas on your email list and they perform well, you can simply take those same ideas, those same creatives, those same angles, and move them over to your cold traffic creatives, whether that's paid ads or something else, and odds are they're going to do well. Fifth point here, your email list is an owned asset, whereas all the social media platforms could take everything away from you with one simple algorithm change. This is even something that we've seen before. In recent years, social media platforms have kind of changed where they kind of just incentivize the creative over follower base, meaning if your brand was just relying on posting content to your existing follower base, that's not going to be as effective now, because now you can start a fresh account and get thousands and thousands and thousands, maybe even millions of views, only because your creative is better. And because all your followers live on the social platform and not in a list that you own, that social platform is the one that owns that follower base, not you. And with one algorithm change or a banning of an account or whatever it is, they pretty much have full control over it, and they can take it away from you if they ever wanted to for whatever reason. Whereas with an email list, it's an owned asset, and it's actually the only owned asset that you have as a business in terms of getting in contact with your existing buyers, customers, and followers. Sixth point, and maybe the most important one, is that email marketing is personal. Social media is very social. It's not personal. But when you contact someone via email, it can be much more personal and make you feel closer to your audience in a way that you cannot do anywhere else. We'll even extremely commonly get a ton of replies to our emails for e-commerce brands, for example. Most people would be surprised at that. But when you engage with your subscribers in a way that actually gets them to feel a connection, they'll even reply back and give you their thoughts. We've pulled plenty of email angle ideas simply from the feedback that we get from subscribers replying to to our emails. It's a personal channel and it's very effective because of it. So let's go back up to the top and do a quick summary. Number one, email is cheap, it's easy, and it's the most reliable way to stay connected with your existing customers and followers. Number two, because of that, it's the best marketing channel to encourage long-term buyers and retention. Number three, email marketing improves your return on your ad spend because most people aren't ready to buy right away, but they need some nurturing. Number four, email marketing can act as a testing ground to fuel creative inspiration for all of your cold traffic ads. Number five, it's the only owned asset that you have in terms of getting in contact with your customers. And six, it's very personal, so you can connect with people in a way that you can't on any other platform. So I hope you found this valuable and hopefully it sheds some light on your decision here. Maybe you're already going full force in email marketing and you just thought this was an interesting way to see how effective it actually is for you. Or maybe you're kind of on the fence about taking it seriously or just kind of like leaving it in the dust, not really caring about it. Or maybe you hate on email marketing, you think it serves zero purpose at all, and you're kind of looking for reasons to even see a glimmer of hope. Whatever it is, I hope this makes your decision easier and it sheds some light and essentially just gives you more context when you actually decide what you want to do with your business's email marketing. Now, if you want a done for you team to handle all of this email marketing stuff for you, my team and I would love to help. You can learn a little bit more about us and what we do with the first link in the description. I'll drop it there. And if you're interested, you can book a call there and I'd be happy to talk with you. Then in the second link in the description, I'm going to drop an opt-in link for our newsletter. That's a free newsletter where I drop content like this all the time throughout every week. Again, it's completely free. We got a bunch of people there learning a bunch of stuff, making a bunch of money from it. So anyways, hope you found this valuable. I'll see you in the next one.